The U.S. Supreme Court's conservative majority appears to be leaning towards a Christian graphic artist with an anti-gay marriage stance. It's a case that is being keenly watched in the United States, for it pits the LGBTQ rights against religion and free speech. The web designer has objected to make wedding websites for gay couples. Laurie Smith, owner of 303 Creative, is challenging a state law that prohibits businesses from discriminating on the basis of gender, race, religion, or sexual orientation. She claims that making announcements for same-sex couples on her website hinders her Christian beliefs and that this would be a violation of her free speech rights protected under the First Amendment.
After starting my own design studio, I was excited to expand my portfolio to design custom, unique wedding websites that celebrate the beauty of marriage between husband and wife. But my home state of Colorado made it clear that I'm not welcome in that space. And Colorado is trying to force me to create custom, unique artwork to promote ideas inconsistent with my faith and the core of who I am.
Smith's lawyer, Kristen Wagner, has said that the state law would force her client to create and speak messages she does not believe in.
Today, Laurie simply asked this court to apply its long-standing precedent to protect the right of every American to choose what to say and not to say. And no one should be forced to say something they don't believe under threat of fines, imprisonment, and other penalties.
But in arguments, liberal justices suggested that this could open gates for discrimination against black customers, Jewish or Islamic people, interracial couples, and many others. Sonia Sotomayor, one of the liberal justices, asked, how about people who don't believe in interracial marriage? People who don't believe that disabled people should get married? Where's the line? If I disagree with their personal characteristics like race or disability, I can choose not to sell those people my website because it's my speech. Whereas Justice Samuel Alito, who is one of the staunchest conservatives on the court, took issue with the comparisons to interracial marriage, saying there are honorable people who object to same-sex marriage. The court has a 6-3 conservative majority.
We are very concerned that if our side loses in this case, the court would open up an exemption that would make possible all sorts of professions, photographers, people make cakes, others who write books, to say, I'm not going to sell to someone based on who they are. The court has never recognized that exception, and to do so would threaten the core of our civil rights laws.
This case is the latest in clash of religion and gay rights at the top court. The case resembles one from 2018 when the Supreme Court voted 7-2 in favor of a Colorado baker who had refused to make a wedding cake for a gay couple. The court, however, did not squarely address the issue of whether a business can decline to serve gays and lesbians on free speech or religious grounds. A group of demonstrators from both sides of the debate were seen outside the premises holding LGBTQ+ flags. The supporters of gay rights tried to hold a demonstration outside the court using blowhorns and megaphones. The Supreme Court is expected to deliver its ruling before the end of June. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.